Monday, April the 19th, and I'm showing you a what I eat in a day on keto today. So I'm starting out with 2 pieces of bacon this morning. Angelina made us some bacon. Then I have 2 pieces of toast on sola bread with some sugar-free jam. I've got my coffee, and I've also got my electrolyte drink with my joint health stuff in there. And I'll show you guys what this is a little bit later. But anyway, this is breakfast. Hey everybody, for my lunch today, I am having a chicken salad wrap. If you guys remember, like one video back or so, I made some chicken salad. Still got a little bit of that left, so I made myself a wrap, and it's wrapped with mozzarella, the mozzarella cheese, lettuce, and tomato. And it's a few carrot sprigs that are there. But anyway, that is lunch today. Hey everybody, welcome back to Sincerely Legenia. I am a Legenia and I am so glad that you guys are here. Today I'm going to be filming a what I eat in a day video on keto and taking you guys along with me for a vlog. I've got quite a bit of work to do for the art center downtown, and so I'm going to get some of that work taken care of, and then I need to go to the store. I need to go to Walmart and run a few errands and pick up a few things, and then I'm going to be filming more YouTube videos today for you guys. So got quite a busy day ahead of me. Right now the time is 9:30, so yeah, I'm going to go ahead and get started, get to work here. I've already got my coffee. I'm going to run to the kitchen and get me a bottle of water. I've got to make sure I get my water in for the day. But yeah, that is it. So come along and spend this day with me today, guys. I love it when you guys are. Hey, good morning, everybody. Welcome back to Sincerely Legenia. Today is Thursday, April the 22nd, I do believe, and I'm going to be doing some vlogging today. What did I eat in a day on keto video, and just taking you guys along with me a couple of places that I'm going to be going. And I'm going to show you guys what I'm having for lunch. All right, I'm showing you guys what I'm having for lunch because breakfast is over. I've made myself a smoothie bowl with strawberries, blueberries, a few raspberries. I have me some unsweetened shredded coconut and some sola granola right there on the side. I've got a serving of each, and yeah, this is going to be lunch. I've also made some bacon. It's questionable, but let me let you guys see. So yeah, in all realness, I kind of burned my bacon a little bit. Got a little excited about the granola, and this is what we came up with. But hey, you know what? I'm gonna eat the middle part right here. The outside, not so much, you know, the corners, the edges, end pieces. But I'm going to eat the middle, and it's going to be delicious, all right? Don't judge me. All right, so Angelina and I had to stop by the Apple store here to take care of some things, and I forgot to vlog going in there, guys. So this is the Apple store. Angelina and I are here to take care of some stuff with her phone, and so we're all done now. Now we are going to go to a couple other stores before going home. All right, we are going into Mardell's. I'm going to purchase something for a good friend of mine. Let's go in and see what else we can find. Mardell, this is a bunch of foolishness, okay? This little old plant, look at this. $30. Are y'all serious? I mean, look at this. I don't even think y'all see the fullness of what I'm... $30. Mardell's. Okay, I'm gonna have to pray for y'all while we're in here. And here are boxes of cards. I always like having cards at home. So those times that you need one immediately, you always have a good card available. So I try to keep a nice stock of cards at home. You guys, look at this little bitty Bible. Isn't it just adorable? It is so little. It's the entire New Testament, but I think it's just adorable. What I purchased at Mardell's. Okay, a couple of items I cannot show you because they are actually gifts for someone. So I can't show you two of the items that I got. I really hate that though, bummer. But I did want to show you these little jar containers. I got these and these were on clearance for $2.49. I am so excited about that because as you guys know, I have my recipe spice blend cookbook that's coming out, and I needed some jars for the cover, and I thought these jars were cute and perfect, and then they were just on clearance for $2.49. Perfect. So you guys should be seeing these on the cover of my cookbook should I decide to use them, and that's for my recipe cookbook, the spice blends that you guys should be seeing within the next week or so. And then also, as I told you guys, I like to keep cards. I have a whole box of cards that I keep for birthdays, special occasions. I just love cards and I love to keep them on hand. Well, this one right here, these are Christian cards. They're spiritual with scripture and everything. I love them. They were only at $2.99 for this entire box. And so I love those. I love to just have them on hand because so oftentimes, you know, things just come up suddenly, and if I can just grab one of these great cards out of my card box, then yeah, I like to be able to do that. So that's all that I am able to show you guys, but I did get a couple more things. Again, those items are gifts, and so I can't show you those. Also, I told you guys earlier in the video that I was going to show you this joint health that I use along with my electrolytes. I always get this, and I'll leave a link in the description box where you guys can get this from as well. But it's the electrolytes water. It's just regular sparkling water, but I always combine it with these twist tubes that I get from Amway, and I'll leave a link in the description box where you can get both of these. But I mix it with this raspberry flavored joint health, which is just a supplement to help you know, with my joints. And I love it because I'm, you know, doing the walking and everything that I do. It just aids in keeping my joints moving and feeling younger, or so it says. But so far, so good. I've been using this maybe going on 2 weeks now. And so I love it. But yeah, that's my electrolyte drink. I'm supposed to drink one a day. I have, because it's so good, I've drank maybe 2 a day. But yeah, these are really delicious. So I'm thinking I might as well show you guys what all it is. So this box right here, again, this one is for the joint health, but also I had a previous box where they have some in here for antioxidants, and this is a mango and citrus flavor. I just put it in this box just to eliminate space in my pantry, but this one is a mango and citrus flavor. It's not my favorite, but of course I'm not drinking it for the flavor alone, but for the benefits. But this is one for antioxidants. And then there's another one that was a strawberry flavor. I cannot remember what that one was, that came in the variety pack. I can't remember what that one was for. That was antioxidants. The other one was joint. I can't remember what the other one is. But I'll leave a link in the description box where you guys can try these out. I love them. And so far, again, they seem to be working really, really well.